All is not well between Alia and Ranbir. One of the most anticipated marriages of this year is the marriage of Alia and Ranbir. But looks like everything is not well between these lovebirds. Well, recently there were reports doing rounds that Ranbir and Alia will get married after the release of their first movie together, Brahmastra. The report suggested that their family members have already invited their relatives and told them to be free on those dates. It is also said that both the families have started preparing for their marriage. Reports also said that Alia has already ordered her lehenga to Sabyasachi. There were also reports suggesting that they have selected their honeymoon destination. But just after a few days of these reports coming in limelight, news also started doing round that everything is not well between these two lovebirds. Both the stars have finished filming for Brahmastra and currently they are busy with their next projects. Alia is currently shooting for Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Gangubai Kathiawadi and Ranbir has started shooting for his next movie, Shamshera. It is also said that both the stars are also shooting their respective films at the same film studio, but the sets are different. But what is surprising that they are not meeting each other in spite of being at the same studio. This incident is quite surprising because Alia and Ranbir always accompany each other wherever they go. Even Alia accompanied Ranbir when he visited his ill father Rishi Kapoor at a hospital of New Delhi. They even attended Arman Jain's wedding together and Alia was many times spotted with Ranbir's mother Neetu Kapoor too. But what happened now that they are maintaining distance from each other? There are many questions coming in the limelight right now that if Ranbir has dumped Alia or if Alia cheated on Ranbir. Many people are also thinking that their relationship was just a publicity stunt. They were pretending to be in a relationship just to promote the business of their movie. But nothing has been confirmed now from their side. Many people are also assuming that they are keeping their personal and professional lives separate. And by being professional, they are not meeting each other on the sets of their movies. We hope that this adorable couple does not part their ways. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.